past experiences and unresolved emotions can cling to us like shadows, haunting our minds and hearts. Grudges, resentment, and unforgiveness act as internal enemies, silently corroding our mental and emotional well-being. The burden we carry. When we harbor grudges or nurse old wounds, we carry a weight that slows our progress. It's like carrying around a heavy backpack filled with stones. Each resentment adds another rock, and soon we find ourselves stumbling under the load. Letting go is not weakness, it's liberation. Imagine a captive bird, its wings clipped, confined to a cage. When we forgive, we unlock that cage. The bird soars into the open sky, its heart lightened. Similarly, our hearts find freedom when we release the weight of bitterness. As we unburden ourselves, our hearts soar. We breathe easier, love more freely, and find space for joy. The past loses its grip, and we become architects of our emotional freedom. Let go, my friend. Forgive. Your heart deserves to soar unencumbered by the weight of old wounds.